Alright, what's going on, guys? Eric from Thewiscoguyz, and in today's video we're gonna grab a part and install it on the Subaru. So if you don't know, this is my 05 Subaru WRX Outback wagon, and we're gonna pick up some headlights for it online for some headlights. I was gonna get some lenses and like kind of clear them up, but these came up for a good price, so we're gonna grab these. Now, I've been trying to do a video for the last 2 weeks, and I started 2 of them. I couldn't finish them because I just got so busy with what was going on in the environment. Just busy. So we're gonna finish this one, and we're gonna be working on the Subaru again. I've already tried to work on the Subaru once. I got it done, but I didn't film it all. So we are going to head to Duluth, Minnesota. So let's go to the gas station, get this car ready to run. I haven't driven this car more than like 20 miles at a crack, so this will be kind of its maiden voyage, especially after the brakes I did. And it is currently 97 degrees right now. Good thing the AC works freaking mint in this thing. So alrighty, let's get her going. Wow, it's hot out. So we're gonna head to Duluth. Got some drinks. Yeah, 97 degrees. I got the tire aired up. Should be good. So let's I'm into Superior now. We're gonna cut over to Oliver and then meet up with this guy in these headlights. Check him in at some point, probably after we get the headlights. So we scored some headlights for the Subaru. I don't know. We'll see how they look. They're definitely, you know, like eBay specials, but we'll see. See how they look and kind of go from there. But I don't know. We'll run them. Got to be better than these fogged out ones here. Yeah, we'll run them for a little bit. I do want to rebuild the original ones, but we'll see. Alrighty, I'll get some food. Alrighty, so we're in the shop. We have the Subaru here, and you see those headlights. Went to Duluth, got the headlights. It's been a little while. Kind of changed up my look a little bit, but headlights are secured. Went and got these, so we're gonna put these in real quick and get this going here. We are going to pop this hood, and we're going to take these headlights out, but first we got to take the grill off real quick to get access to the headlights in here. Or there's like a mounting bracket for the headlights in here underneath that part of the bumper, so we're going to get that off. Now that we got the side bracket out, we're going to get these top ones out. I'm just going to disconnect everything on the back side here. Alright, everything's removed. Put that off to the side. So I got the headlights here. Just plugged everything in to kind of see where I was at. And these headlights, they're like Spec D ones. Aaron looked them up. Put a link to them on Amazon. But it's got this running light at the top here that kind of swoops around. I think I'm gonna have to splice in to this running light at the top. So I think I'm gonna do that real quick and then I'll show you what's going on. Got that one wired in, another one to wire in. All right, so we're gonna check to see if this works. Oh, yeah. She's working. Okay. I gotta transfer over the inner bracket there that goes in the grill, or behind the grill. Sucks. At the end of being hot. I'm dying. I'm gonna work on this side, and I'll show you the end result. All right, I got both sides in. Turn them on real quick. Oh yeah, a little ricey, but better than those old faded ones. These ones are bad. Yeah. So we're gonna run with that. See how that goes. I'm gonna get these aimed, and we'll go outside and take a look at it. Took me a little bit to get these things aimed, but I got them. Little Phillips head screwdriver, got them up. Turn them on for you. Looking pretty good, should be good. So yeah, let's try them outside. All right, got them outside all lit up. It's way brighter. I gotta aim these down tomorrow. Not gonna do it today, but yeah, should be good. A little dicey, but not bad. Should work for what I'm doing. Let's get in the light here. I'd like to thank you guys for watching. Definitely subscribe to the channel. Kind of a little adventure, and we got some headlights in the Subaru. So you guys have a good day or night or whatever you're having. See you guys. Bye.